Well, we're here at Barramundi Gorge today in Kakadu National Park, and so we have to collect samples of just about everything that can either eat or be eaten, and that includes big things that are easy to see and very small things that we have difficulty seeing. So that's what I'm working on now, collecting some samples of algae from the water. We think that this microscopic algae is what really drives the food chain, all the way up to things like barramundi and water birds that are some of the top predators around here. And part of the difficulty in the past was tracing that link was because this algae is very difficult to see and to analyze. And so with the latest technology in mass spectrometers, we can get the chemical fingerprint from that algae and find the same chemical fingerprint in the large fish.
So you'll take that and you'll concentrate it down?
Yeah, well, we will filter this and get algal biomass on it, because different substrates provide different sources of algae. So we'll do isotope analysis on the algae as well, and which is the bottom of the food web. And hopefully some of the invertebrates or grazers that feed off this algae will have this signature, and we can trace the signature throughout the food web.
Right now the other members of our team are out in the creek with a backpack electrofisher. They're using that to catch the fish. And the way that works is it sends a pulse of electricity into the water that stuns the fish and causes them to swim towards them. They then pick them up with nets, put them in buckets, the fish recover, and we bring them in and give them a mild anesthetic, and then we can remove some body tissues from them and use those in the lab to measure the chemical fingerprints of those tissues.
Okay.
And this is a smaller creek, so that they're using the backpack. In larger rivers that are very deep, these guys will launch a boat and use a boat electrofisher, using the same technology, just on a bigger scale.
I'm Josh Hunter, or Jalong. I come from Wurkwaba, Bormo, Machba country, stage 3 at Kakadu. My favourite thing about this area is I like going fishing, walking off on my own, and that way it gives me a chance, I know, to blend in with nature, and you see a lot of natural stuff that you don't see all the time. Like, could be one day croc grabbing a barra and going to the bank. Another day it could be a little bird hitting a snake or something. It's all freaky little stuff you see at times. But yeah, it kind of, when you blend in, they kind of, and you're not too many people around, they kind of show you all these natural stuff that you won't see if you're walking around it with big more people or that. All I know is that there's fish in there. I don't know what type of species or subspecies, or all I see is a black bream. As a black bream, there might be 5 or 6 different species, but I know them as one species. So yeah, I think it's great to share a bit of knowledge both ways. That way we can educate each other on both levels.